students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Okay, now let us move to the lesson. Today's subject is English of Standard 5th and name of the poem is Only One Mother. Dear children, today we are going to listen to a poem named Only One Mother. This is a very beautiful poem. Okay, we will go through this. This is our page from textbook. Okay, now this is poem, very small poem. It has only 8 lines. Okay, and the name of the poet is George Cooper. George Cooper has written this poem. Okay, Only One Mother. Here he described so many things and he compared these things with our mother. Okay, we will go through in detail. See this, hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Yes, here you can see a pretty sky with hundreds of stars. See the number? Okay, hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. The sky is very beautiful, right? And we can see the twinkling stars. They are more and more in number, more than 100. Correct? So the poet says that we can see hundreds, thousands of stars in the beautiful, pretty sky at night. You can see here shells, seashells, right? They are of different color, different shape, and we can see them under the sea. Here the poet says we can see hundreds of shells on the shore together. Yes, we can see hundreds, so many shells in the shore. On the shore we can see not only one, we can see so many shells on the shores. Right? Then he says, see this, hundreds of birds that go singing by. You can see here so many birds. They are flying in the sky. Right? You give importance to the number here. See this, the poet wants to tell that hundreds of birds that go singing by means so many birds are there. They fly from one place to another in the sky. Hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather. Here also we can see so many lambs, a group of lambs. See here, fleet we say, correct? Lambs mean the kids of sheep, right? Hundreds of lambs in the sunny weather. Here also we have to see the number. Hundreds of lambs in the sunny weather. Sunny weather means pleasant weather. Hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Dawn means here DAWN means early morning. Hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn. Dewdrops, see this, a small droplets of water we can see early morning, isn't it? These are called as dewdrops. They are also hundreds in number. Okay, and hundreds of bees in the purple clover. You can see so many bees in the purple clover. Okay, hundreds of bees in the purple clover. Hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. You can see here the lawn and the garden, right? You can see different colored, different sized, different type butterflies in the garden or on the lawn. But what is there? But only one mother the wild world over. Yes, but we have only one mother, only one loving and caring mother. Rest all we will get in numbers in our world, but our mother, she is only one. We can't replace our mother by any other thing or any other person, isn't it? Yes, here the poet compares all these different things with the mother. He says that we get each and everything in numbers in our world except our mother. See, she is so special. She is unique. Okay? This poem is written by George Cooper. Now, dear children, we will go to the exercise part. Children, we will try to recite this poem. Okay? We'll start. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky, hundreds of shells on the shore together, hundreds of birds that go singing by, hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather, hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn, but only one mother the wide world over. Yes, this poem is written by George Cooper. Yes, the name is Only One Mother. Loving and caring mother, isn't it? Now we will move to the exercise. First one, make a list of the rhyming words in the poem. Yes, dear children, there are so many rhyming words. Okay, we will write them first. Then add one more rhyming word of your own to each pair. Okay, we will try to write one more rhyming pair for that rhyming word from the poem. Okay, first one, sky by. You can see this in first line at the end and in the on the third line end. Okay, that is sky by. We will try to write one more, sky by fly. Okay, you write one more in front of this. See, for example, sky by fly. Now you can write try, cry. Correct? Like this you can write. Next one is weather, mother. Yes, come on, tell me. Next one, what to write from outside? Weather and mother. These are from our poem, right? Now we will write the third one. Weather, mother, brother. Okay. Next, dawn, lawn. Dawn, lawn. And we will write one more, fawn. Okay. You try to write one more in front of this. Next, clover, over. This is from your poem, Clover, over. Okay. Let us write one more here, flower. Clover, over, flower. You know the rhyming words, they are similar in sound, isn't it? They are similar sounding words. Okay. Next thing is write some more expressions like hundreds of. Yes, dear children, in this poem we have gone through so many hundreds of expressions like hundreds of stars, hundreds of shells, hundreds of birds. Correct? Like that we have to write here some more expressions that must has hundreds of. Okay? Okay, we will try. See here, hundreds of children in the school. Isn't it? In your school also, so there are so many children, right? So we can write here hundreds of children in the school. Next, hundreds of people on railway platform. Got this? You can write anything, any expression you can give here by using hundreds of people on railway platform. This is our Mumbai, isn't it? Next, hundreds of mosquitoes in the garden. We find so many mosquitoes in the evening in the garden, isn't it? Next, see this. Hundreds of flies on the open food. Can you see here? Hundreds of flies. If we eat this open food, we will fall ill. So, dear children, not to eat any open food. Next, answer the following question. Okay. First question. What examples of plentiful things does the poet give? Plentiful means so many. Many in number. Plenty means bahut sare. Okay. What examples of plentiful things does the poet give? Yes, we know that. Here the poet says that there are plenty of stars, shells, birds, lambs, dewdrops, bees, and butterflies. He has given all these examples for plentiful things, isn't it? Same thing we have written here. The poet says that there are plenty of stars, shells, birds, lambs, dewdrops, bees, and butterflies. Next question. Why does the poet say that the dewdrops greet the dawn? Dawn means early morning. Why does the poet say that dewdrops greet only the dawn, not the noon, not the evening? Yes, we will write here. Answer. The dewdrops are present early in the morning at dawn. Right? We can see the dewdrops only in early morning, that is dawn. Just as the sun rises, correct? Afterwards, what happened? When the sun rises, they vanish. Vanish means gul, gayab ho jana. Correct? That is why the poet says that dewdrops greet the dawn. Okay? It should be dawn. Okay? Next, write a letter to any one of the following to tell them how much you appreciate them. Yes, here you have to write a letter to anyone. To whom all? See here, your mother you can write. You can write to your father. You can write any one of your relatives, or you can write to your teacher. Okay? About their work, and you have to appreciate their work. You can write anything. Okay? Here we will go through one example. Now we will see how our mother works. See, these all pictures shows that the works of our mother. See, in the first picture, she is feeding the baby, isn't it? Here, she is dressing up the baby or her child. She is helping in studies. She is giving explanation. She is helping him to solve the sums. Right? She helps in studies. She takes the children outside her house to the malls for shopping, etc. She plays with her children. She takes to the garden, correct? And she teaches so many things. See here, the girl is planting and the mother is teaching her how to plant the seed, how to water. She is giving her the education or the new things, teachings of new things to her child. Right? Yes, dear children, bye bye. Take care.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.